Hey family, so my son and I are on our third nature walk this week. We actually love it out here. There's so many different paths to walk down, beautiful scenery to see, and so many people out here that are doing the same thing since the weather is so nice. We also decided to fast for 2 days, so we started today, Friday, and are going to only drink liquids, water, broth, and a smoothie, which I will give you the recipe for in the description of this video. Here's some quick video that I took. Take a nice walk outside in the nature. It's just beautiful. Enjoy the scenery. You'll see how peaceful it is. And don't forget to try out the smoothie.